Hello, everybody. Today we are going to dive to all the professional advices we can get from Microsoft Copilot. You will see how this module can help us figure out different problems we have in our day-to-day life and how it can help us and give us a good advice. Welcome to Simply Learn Tech 101. Act as a lawyer, give me some advice. I was caught by the police with a pistol, which I don't have a license to, here in Panama City. Give me some advice.
I'm not a lawyer, but I urge you to seek legal counsel immediately. In Panama, unlicensed possession of a firearm can have serious legal consequences. A lawyer will guide you through your options, which may include negotiating penalties or exploring any potential defenses. Don't delay in getting professional help.
I want to open a business in the United States for a pizza place in Miami. Give me some legal advice, what I need to do. Act as a lawyer.
I'm not a lawyer, but I can offer some general guidance. To open a pizza place in Miami, you'd need to choose a business structure, register your business, and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. You'll also need to comply with health and safety regulations. Consulting an attorney who's experienced in business law in Florida is a wise move for more personalized legal advice.
Which regulations I need to comply to?
To open a pizza place in Miami, you'll need to comply with local health and safety regulations, obtain the necessary business licenses, and follow labor laws. It's crucial to consult with a local attorney to ensure you're meeting all legal requirements. They'll guide you through the process and help you avoid any legal pitfalls.
Act as a therapist. I have a problem. I don't sleep good at night and I don't know why. Give me some advice, please.
Sleep issues can be tricky. I'd suggest starting with the basics. Try maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, limit caffeine and screen time before bed, and create a calming bedtime routine. If the problem persists, you might want to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
I want to open a pizza restaurant in Panama City. I want this restaurant to be very successful. Give me some tips how to make my restaurant successful. Act as a business coach.
To make your pizza restaurant a hit in Panama City, focus on these key areas. First, nail your product. Offer unique, high-quality pizzas that stand out. Second, focus on exceptional customer service. Make everyone feel welcome. Third, smart marketing. Utilize social media and local promotions. Lastly, adapt and innovate. Keep an eye on trends and customer feedback. Ready to make your mark?
Give me more details how I need to make sure customer service is good.
Killer customer service starts with the basics. First, ensure your staff are well trained, friendly, and know your menu inside out. Second, make the ordering process smooth, whether it's in person, online, or over the phone. Third, encourage feedback and act on it. Show customers you care about their experience. Lastly, add personal touches, like remembering regular customers' names or favorite orders. It's all about creating a welcoming vibe. Got it?
For the pizza place, I want to create a program for online reservations. Give me some tips how I should create this program, act as a programmer, and explain to me the logic.
For an online reservation system, you'd want to start with a user-friendly interface. This allows customers to choose their date, time, and party size. Underneath, you'll need a database to manage bookings, available slots, and customer details. The system logic should include checking if a slot is available, confirming the reservation, and updating the database. Integrate a notification system to confirm bookings and send reminders. Keep it straightforward and seamless for both users and staff. Easy peasy.
You think it's a good idea for me to outsource the programming of this platform to programmers in India?
Outsourcing to programmers in India could be a smart move. It's cost-effective and gives access to a vast pool of talent. Just make sure you communicate your needs clearly and choose a reputable team. Quality assurance and regular check-ins can ensure the project meets your expectations. Ready to take the plunge?
You think it's a good idea to pay the programmers in India all the amount they want ahead, or maybe to split it in 50% in the beginning and 50% in the end when they deliver?
Splitting the payment is a common practice. You could pay 50% upfront to get the project started and the remaining 50% upon delivery and satisfaction. This way, you safeguard your investment and ensure quality work. Keep communication clear and you'll set a good foundation for your project. Ready to roll?
For my pizza restaurant, I want to make sure that marketing is very good. Give me some advice what I need to do in marketing and act as a marketer coach.
All right. To make your pizza restaurant's marketing sizzle, get creative with social media. Share mouth-watering visuals, engage with your followers, and offer exclusive deals. Consider collaborating with local influencers and hosting events. Don't forget traditional marketing too, like flyers and community outreach. The goal? Make your brand unforgettable and your pizza irresistible.
For marketing in social media in Panama, which social media platform is better to use?
In Panama, for marketing your pizza restaurant, platforms like Instagram and Facebook are popular choices, with Instagram being great for visual content and Facebook for community engagement. WhatsApp is also widely used for direct communication. Combining these platforms can create a strong, engaging presence. Ready to make your mark?
What about the budget? How much budget should I invest in marketing in Instagram?
When it comes to budgeting for Instagram marketing, it really depends on your goals and resources. A good rule of thumb is to allocate around 5 to 15% of your overall revenue for marketing. Start small, test what works best, then adjust. If you see a good return on investment, it's all about finding the sweet spot for your business. Make that pizza place the talk of the town.
Let's go back to my resume. I have an interview for a cybersecurity expert next week, and I know that I have a problem passing those interviews. Please train me how to pass and act as a recruiter.
Got it. Let's dive into some cybersecurity interview prep. First, know the company. Research their recent projects and challenges. Practice articulating your experience with cybersecurity frameworks and tools. Be ready to showcase problem-solving skills. Finally, stay calm and confident. Now let's roleplay. I'll be the recruiter and ask you a question. Ready?
Yes.
All right then. Tell me about a time you identified a security vulnerability in a system. How did you handle it and what was the outcome?
I found that in a company, they don't update their computers, so I found a vulnerability that was enabling the hacker to get full control over the computers. So what I did, I asked the system administrator to update all the computers with the latest updates. You think it was a good idea?
Absolutely. Promptly notifying the system administrator to update all computers was a smart move. It's essential to act quickly to patch vulnerabilities and protect against potential threats. How did the company respond to your initiative?
Oh, they just fired me.
Whoa, I'm sorry that sounds tough. It's surprising they didn't appreciate your proactive approach to security. Keep your head up. There will be companies out there that will value your skills and initiative. Keep pushing forward.
Okay, next question.
All right, here's the next one. How do you stay updated on the latest cybersecurity threats and trends?
I make sure that the company has a central update system that will deliver all the updates to all the computers and servers.
That's a solid strategy. Having a central update system ensures all devices are protected and up to date. It shows your understanding of the importance of security measures. Keep that approach in your back pocket for the interview. Ready for more?
Yes.
Great. Next question. How do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple cybersecurity incidents at once?
Well, it depends on the severity of the vulnerability that was found. I will prioritize fixing those vulnerabilities.
Exactly. Prioritizing based on severity is crucial. Handling the most critical vulnerabilities first minimizes potential damage. It's all about managing risks effectively during a cybersecurity incident.
Let's assume my pizza business is running for 2 years and I'm losing a lot of employees. They just work for a couple of weeks and then they leave for the competition. Act as a business consultant, how I need and can fix this problem.
fix high turnover, you need to look at employee satisfaction. First, gather feedback through exit interviews or anonymous surveys to understand why they're leaving. Then, improve training development and engagement. Competitive pay and benefits matter too. Retaining staff is all about creating a positive work environment.
I hope now you understand how Copilot can help us, consulting us on day-to-day issues. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have other questions, please comment on the comment section below.